press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, how are you all? Hope all are fine and safe in your home. In today's class, we are going to learn the new lesson of your class 3 EVS, that is importance of teeth. What is the name of your lesson? That is importance of teeth. Okay, what do you mean by teeth? Which are teeth in our body? Yes, teeth are these. Teeth lies in the mouth, right? And the what function teeth can perform? Yes, teeth are help to chew the food items that we have given to the mouth. Teeth help to chew the food items that we have given to the mouth. Understood this? Okay, what do you mean by importance? So, every single object has its importance, right? Importance meaning is what? Something, information or the particular information about the particular thing. So, here the title indicates that importance of teeth. So, in this lesson, we are going to study some information that is very knowledgeable, or that is the importance of the teeth. Understood this? Okay, let's begin this class. Open page number 95. First I will read this, then I will explain it. Okay, let's get started. Lesson 11, importance of teeth. After studying this lesson, you know the importance of teeth, types of teeth and their functions, and develop the habit of cleaning your teeth. So, after studying this, we will know about the importance of the teeth, identification of the teeth, that is, there are so many types in our teeth. So, we will identify those types, and also we will clean our teeth. Okay? And a rabbit and a dog were friends. One day, they were walking near a pond. Rabbit, oh, the grass has grown in plenty. I will eat quickly. Dog, oh, see there, a large piece of flesh. I will bite it and eat. The rabbit was surprised to see the dog tearing the flesh. Rabbit, oh my friend, how quickly you tear the flesh. Dog, look at my teeth. They are so sharp, but I can't eat grass like you. Rabbit, laughing, look at my incisors. These help me cut the grass. Dog, it's true, just as my canines help me tear the flesh. You have heard the conversation of the dog and the rabbit. Now stand in front of the mirror and observe your teeth. So, here what happened? An incident is given. So, there is a conversation between two friends. The two friends were rabbit and the dog. One day, they are walking. So, a rabbit and dog were friends. So, one day, they were walking near a pond. So, they are walking by talking near a pond. So, in their conversation, rabbit tells that, oh, the grass is grown plenty. I will eat quickly. So, it is near a pond, right? So, there is so many grasses in that place. So, rabbit says that rabbit loves to eat grass right? So, it tells that there is a plenty of grass is there. Plenty means large amount. Okay, write down there. Plenty means large amount. Okay. Here, rabbit tells that there is a plenty of grass is grown there. Grown means there is a past tense of grow, right? So, that is developed. So, there is a plenty of grass there. I will eat quickly. So, I love to eat grass. I am hungry now. I will eat that plenty of grass. It is so, yeah, it is so mesmerizing, right? Okay. Dog. oh, see there, a large piece of flesh. I will bite it and eat. So, dog says that. Okay, there is a large piece of flesh. Flesh means what? That is a meat, right? Flesh means meat. So, the dog telling that there is a large flesh is there, large piece of flesh is there. I will eat it. Understood this? Rabbit tells that there is a plenty of grass is grown there. I will eat quickly. For that, dog is telling that there is a large piece of flesh. I will eat that piece. The rabbit was surprised to see the dog tearing the flesh. So, they start to eat their food accordingly. Rabbit is eating grass and dog is eating flesh. So, by seeing this, rabbit was surprised. Why it is surprised? Because dog is easily tearing that flesh. Tearing means what? That is like this. Okay? It is separate the flesh and it will eat easily. And that is very wet. Right? It is not boiled also. There is a wet flesh. It is easily what is doing? That is tearing. Okay, here the word tearing refers to eating. Okay, the rabbit was surprised to see the dog tearing the flesh. It was very surprised. How can it do that? Which is surprise? Here, rabbit was surprised. So, rabbit tells that, oh my friend, how quickly you tear the flesh. So, it was surprised. So, asked to dog that, oh my friend, dog, how can you eat this flesh? How can you tear this flesh very easily? Is there any miracle in your teeth? How is it possible? And it is a wet flesh. It is not boiled also. How can you easily tear that flesh? Like this, rabbit was asked to dog. Okay? So the dog tells that, look at my teeth, they are so sharp, but I can't eat grass like you. So the question is what? How can you eat such meat, that flesh, by tearing? Okay? So the dog tells that, my friend rabbit, look at my teeth. They are very sharp. The edges of my teeth are very sharp. They can tear the flesh only. But the weakness is, I can't eat a grass like you. You can eat grass, you can't eat flesh, right? Like that, me only, I am also, what? I will eat only flesh like meat, but not grass like you. Understood this? So, the dog is telling that, yes, I have very sharp teeth so that I can tear the flesh very easily. But I can't eat the grass like you. Understood? So, rabbit telling that, laughing, look at my incisors, these help me cut the grass. Okay, what do you mean by incisors? Yes, incisors are the central or middle of the teeth, which are 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Those are called incisors. So, these are like this. So, this is your upper lip, right? This is your lower lip. In between these two, incisors are located. Understood this? So, the 4 and 4, totally 8 incisors are live in our body. Like this, rabbit also having incisors, and these incisors help rabbit to eat grass. But dog is lack of these incisors, so it can't eat grass. Understood this? So rabbit is laughing by hearing the dogs. Dog is telling that, yes, I can easily eat flesh by tearing, but can't eat a grass like you. So the rabbit tells that, oh yes, that is really very easy for me because I have incisors. Those are called incisors. Those type of teeth are called incisors, which are help to eat the grass. Okay, to the rabbit. So the rabbit tells that I have incisors so that I can eat grass. Okay, these help me cut the grass. So I will cut the grass very easily and I can chew and I can swallow that grass. So dog tells that it's true, just as my canines help me tear the flesh. Okay, what do you mean by canines? Yes, canines also the type of teeth which are come forth than these incisors. Like these are like this. All of you having your canines, right? Yes, you can check in your mouth. You can have canines besides the incisors. Understood this? So the dog is telling that yes, it's true, just like my incisors which can help to eat the meat, like your incisors also help to eat grass. Understood this? ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಮೊಲ ಮತ್ತು ನಾಯಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು, ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ಪಾಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆರೆ ಹತ್ರ ಅವರು ಇಬ್ಬರು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮೊಲ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೆರೆ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹುಲ್ಲು ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹುಲ್ಲು ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ತಿಂತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರು? ಮೊಲ. ಆಗ ನಾಯಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾಂಸದ ತುಂಡು ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾಂಸದ ತುಂಡು ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ತಿಂತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊಲ ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಮತ್ತು ನಾಯಿ ತನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಆಗ ಮೊಲ ನಾಯಿ ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಾಯಿ ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಸೀಳು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಈಸಿಲಿ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ಮೊಲ ತುಂಬ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನು, ಇದು ಬೆಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಹಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನು ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ತಿಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೊಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ? ಆಗ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ ನಾಯಿಗೆ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನೇ, ನೀನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಹಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ತಿಂದೆ? ನಿನ್ನ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾವ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನೇ ತುಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನೋವಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ ನಾಯಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದು ಗೆಳೆಯ, ನನ್ನ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ತುಂಬ ಚೂಪಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅವುಗಳು ಮೀಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಥರ ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾಯಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ಮೊಲ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಓ ಅದು ನಿಜಾನೇ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಸರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಚಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಬಾಚಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ದವಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಳ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಜಾಸಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮತ್ತು ಲೋವರ್ ಜಾಸಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬಾಚಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವು ಬಾಚಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಆ ಬಾಚಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೊಲ ನಾಯಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ನಾಯಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ನೀನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆಳೆಯ, ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾನಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೋರೆ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಆ ಕೋರೆ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಿನಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಚಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ, ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೋರೆ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. You have incisors and I have canines so that I can eat flesh and you can eat grass. Like this dog said to rabbit. Okay, let's see what happened next. Understood this? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? Okay. You have heard the conversation of the dog and the rabbit. Now stand in front of a mirror and observe your teeth. Yes, we can understand the conversation between dog and rabbit, right? Yes, we have heard it. So what you have to do? You have to look in front of the mirror and you have to see how many teeth and which types of teeth are in my mouth. Okay, now stand in front of a mirror and observe your teeth. So there are so many teeth in your mouth, right? So you have to observe the things which are minute, okay, in front of the mirror. Okay, look at your friend's teeth. Count how many teeth are there. Are all the teeth alike? Observe the front teeth. So there is an activity for you guys. You have to count the teeth of your friend. You have to observe that all the teeth of your friend's mouth are equal, means all are same, and are all the teeth alike? No, there is a difference, right? So you have to find out. Observe the front teeth. So there are so many teeth. You have to observe the front teeth. Understood this? ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈ ನಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೊಲದ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಡೀತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತುಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕನ್ನಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಧ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಣಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದಾವ ಅಂತ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮುಂದಿನ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಟೀತ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ನೀವಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೇಜ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 96. Okay, these are broad, they have sharp edges, these are incisors. How many incisors do you have? So in the activity they are telling that you have to observe the front teeth. You have to observe the front teeth. So here the information about front teeth and those front teeth are called as incisors. Okay, I will write here. First one is what? Incisors. Okay. Incisors are broad. They have sharp edges. These are incisors. How many incisors do you have? Observe the function of these teeth when your friend are eating fruits and vegetables. Incisors help to cut the food items. So, front teeth are called as incisors. These are broad. Okay, I will write the figure here. So, this is the upper lip, right? Here, you can see incisors in your mouth. This is your lower teeth. So, here, these are the 8 incisors in our body. There are 8 incisors in our body. In the upper jaw, we can see 4 incisors, and in the lower jaw, we can see 4 incisors. So, totally it is the 8 incisors in our body. So, these are broad. Compared to all the teeth, you can see that these are broad and they have sharp edges. Yes, you can see that they have sharp edges to cut the food items. You can feel yourself also. Your edges of the incisors are sharp. You can feel it. Just touch your incisors, you can feel that. So that you can bite a hard bite. Okay, how many incisors do you have? You have 8 incisors. You have to write it. I have 8 incisors. Observe the function of these teeth when your friends are eating fruits and vegetables. Okay, when you eat a fruit or vegetables, How can it help? By chewing that? Yes, when you eat a vegetable or when you eat a apple, like fruits, you have to use the incisors to cut that piece. Okay, when you want to eat a carrot, you have to use the incisors, right? You have to cut like this. So the use of incisors is what? That is cutting of vegetables and fruits. Okay, you can't eat directly those vegetables and eat. You have to cut them like pieces. So incisors will help you to cut those vegetables and fruits. When your friends are eating fruits and vegetables, you have to observe. Okay, understood this? Next, incisors help to cut the food items. So function of incisors is help to cut the food items. Helps to cut the food items. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಟೀತನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಆ ಥರ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಈ ಥರ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಜಾಯಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹಲ್ಲು ಮತ್ತು ಲೋವರ್ ಜಾಯಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹಲ್ಲು, ಅವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 4 ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸೇರಿ 8 ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, ತುಂಬ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಗಲವಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೀತ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಗಲವಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಎಡ್ಜಸ್, ಅವುಗಳ ತುದಿ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವು ಫುಡನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಹಾರ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕತ್ತರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ, ತುಂಬ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ 8 ಬಾಚಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸಿಸರ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಚಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, 8 ಬಾಚಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಚಿ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ನಾವು ತರಕಾರಿ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಸರ್ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕು. ನಾವೊಂದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಸರ್ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲೇ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಜಗಿದು ನುಂಗಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆ ಥರ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಇನ್ಸಿಸರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೀತ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.